Yo, YouTube, what's the word? Lazeri2 Official. Hey, I'm back on another video. So look, today we're gonna be talking about a benefit of going to finance a vehicle. Now, before I get into that video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help me out so much. I would appreciate the support. Now we got that out the way, let's get into the video. So, if you never financed a vehicle, right, and you must not have no late payments, no negative accounts, no derogatory accounts whatsoever. Inquiries, you cool, but no negative accounts, no late payments, all right? I know people tell you on the internet all the time that you can go finance or get a loan with bad credit. You can, but you gotta also think about you're gonna be paying high interest rate. That means you're gonna be paying 3 times more the vehicle even costs. And you're gonna need a heavy down payment. So I recommend don't do nothing with bad credit, man. Go ahead and get that thing fixed. It ain't gonna take that long, you know what I'm saying, to get them things removed. As long as you got the right information and the right people doing it, things gonna get removed from your credit report. So don't overthink it. Now, when you're going to look at a vehicle, make sure you're going to look at a vehicle that's like 25, 30,000. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a reason. And I'm going to get into that reason later. So go look at a vehicle, you know what I'm saying? CarMax, they the best. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have like 5%, maybe 5% down on the vehicle, right? But before you go into that dealership, you want to add, you know, some primaries to your credit report. So I'm gonna give you a few, but you need like maybe 4 or 5 reporting. So I'm gonna give you a few of them. I'm gonna leave the description below. Number 1 is Self. Everybody know about Self. Number 2 is Credit Strong. Number 3 is Rent Reporters. You go get your unsecured loan. So if you don't know what an unsecured loan is, it's whatever you have exposed in your account. So if you got 500, 1,000, you know, the better the more. You get a secure loan against the money you already have in your account. So they gonna give you the credit amount that you already have, and then 30 to 60 days later, they're gonna release your money back into your savings account. So that's a good finesse. And you know, you just pay your payments on time. So now you got 4 reporting to your credit report. And once you get those reporting, you know what I'm saying, you start seeing the credit score, start seeing your, you know, some history and things like that. Now you want to go into the dealership, which is like CarMax. You know what I'm saying? They the best. Like when it comes down to getting to like a finance vehicle, they'll send you the way you need to go. So go to CarMax. They pull from TransUnion and Equifax. Depends on what city and state you in. So I'm in Illinois. So they pull from like TransUnion the most. But every now and then they'll pull from Equifax. But that's every now and then. So yeah. Go into CarMax, get you a vehicle, right? Then once you get that vehicle reporting on your name, right, this is a big benefit. Here we go. You are setting yourself up for funding. That means you are setting yourself up for OPM, other people's money. That means when the bank sees that $30,000 trade line reporting on your credit, right, certain banks, when they see that, they will give you a $40,000, $50,000, $70,000 loan because they see that you have a big trade line reporting on your credit. And once you get that vehicle, right, we all about financial literacy. We all about making money. When you come on my YouTube channel, that's all we about. We about making money. So once you get that vehicle, don't get attached to it. Look your vehicle up. If you got a Toyota, a Honda, a Ford, any economy cars, they get rented out 3 or 4 times a day. So just look your car up, you know what I'm saying? And see how much is getting rented out. And then once you start renting your car out, that could pay for the insurance. They could pay for the maintenance. They could pay for a lot of things. You could make $800, $1,000. Yeah, so back to what I was saying, you can make $800, $2,000 a month off renting your vehicle out. You know what I'm saying? And then when you get that loan from the bank, it's like I was just saying, once you get that loan from the bank, you'll get you another vehicle. The first vehicle you already got, push that over into an LLC, right? Now you got a paid off car on your name, and you building credit with your business now. Now your business got a $30,000 trade line reporting on the business side. So now, instead of you going to get an economy car, now you go get you an exotic car. Because you got 40 bands. It may $5,000 now, maybe $2,000 now on the exotic car. You know what I'm saying? Maybe no money down. You know what I'm saying? It's all about if you hitting them data points right. That's all it's about. Hitting the data points right, and you know, making the bank think that you got more loans than what you already got. Sometimes it just take a signature. So it's all about being financially literate. So if you need help with your credit, right? I have my own credit repair company. I charge $500 to $1,000 to repair credit. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't need credit or whatever, I have a referral program to where you advertise my services. You get paid a commission once somebody, you know, activate their credit repair services. Once somebody be a customer, you get paid a commission. So just like I say, if you want to make money when you come to my channel, this is what it's all about. So listen, just like I say, man, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm out.